This cluster of mangrove cays is connected by crystal-clear channels. It's a sanctuary of tranquility, where the gentle sounds of nature replace the noise of the outside world. The calm, clear water feels like a natural swimming pool. Below the surface, mangrove roots shelter a bustling nursery for marine life. Snorkeling reveals schools of colorful fish weaving through the intricate network of roots. The channels between the cays are perfect for gentle exploration. This is a place for quiet contemplation, a space to reconnect with yourself and the natural world.